Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn how to convert Word to PDF and everything into the PDF. So we'll search PDF create online and we will click on first link online to PDF. Here we will select the files. So let us select the photos of flowers. Now here we will select to PDF and we will click on convert. Now it will upload your files depending on your internet connection. Now it will start converting your files. Files are merging and it has been downloaded our PDF. Now let us open our PDF. Same quality, everything is same, the images are also same. The PDF has been made. Now let us try Word file. So let us again open this website. Here we'll select the files. I will go to desktop and select computer. Open. Now here I have selected to PDF. There are so many options. Now here we will click on convert. Here is okay. Now it is very fast because there is only one file and it has been downloaded also. Now here see the Word PDF has been also opened. So this like you can do it. Thank you friends.